Hey there, health enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered why your skin seems to be aging faster than it should? Well, you're in for a real eye-opener today. Let's dive into the shocking truth about seed oils and your skin. First up, let's talk about the usual suspects: soybean, canola, sunflower, safflower, cottonseed, grapeseed, and corn oil. These sneaky oils make up about 20% of the average American diet. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. These oils are extracted through industrial methods that strip away their nutritional value and make them pro-inflammatory. Now, why should you care about this? Well, these seed oils are packed with omega-6 fatty acids. When consumed in excess, omega-6s can wreak havoc on your body by causing inflammation and oxidative stress. And guess what? This inflammation doesn't just affect your insides, it shows up on your skin too. Inflammation and oxidative stress are like a one-two punch for your skin. They can lead to chronic health conditions and accelerate skin aging. Think wrinkles, fine lines, and loss of firmness. Not exactly what you're going for, is it? But wait, there's more. Seed oils can increase your skin's sensitivity to sun damage. They can dehydrate your skin and weaken collagen and elastin, which are essential for keeping your skin firm and youthful. So, if you're slathering on sunscreen but still noticing sun damage, your diet might be the culprit. All right, let's turn this around. What can you do to protect your skin and improve your overall health? Here are some simple swaps. First, ditch the seed oils and opt for healthier alternatives like olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. These oils are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that your skin will love. Second, increase your intake of omega-3 fatty acids. You can find these skin-loving fats in oily fish like salmon, or you can take a high-quality supplement. And finally, incorporate antioxidant-rich fats like grass-fed ghee or coconut oil into your diet. These fats help combat oxidative stress and keep your skin looking vibrant and youthful. So there you have it, the shocking truth about seed oils and your skin. Make these simple changes, and you'll be well on your way to healthier, more radiant skin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on living your healthiest life. See you next time.